Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. So these were the baffles we were looking at yesterday. We've removed the baffle seal from the top. We've taken this piece off, saved it, and cut a new pattern. So the new piece will go back on. Same thing over here with the middle center section of the front baffle set. The muffler piece, pretty well destroyed. We were able to get it off, use it as a pattern. Cut another one. It'll be going in. The back bracing piece up by the motor mount. Another piece for that. So now we're just going to pop rivet these onto. We've already cleaned the baffle material, scrubbed all the grease and dirt off, get it all clean, get them installed back on the airplane, and then we'll begin the process of installing new baffle seals to the front baffles and the top on the baffles on the back. We hope you find this informative. This is nothing more than a big roll of baffle material that we buy. It's 5 feet wide. We sell it by the foot, and we cut out the pieces in the same shape as the original, so we don't have to do any splicing. And we hope you find this informative, and thanks for watching.